Hello, I'm Rod Stewart of Rod A. Stewart Watercolors, where we get together and have fun on our journey of watercolor painting. So here we are by the northwest arm, just down the street a little bit from the last video I did. And this is also along the shoreline. Another foggy, drizzly day, more of a misty morning. And this is just to be a short clip of the general scene. Very gray day. A couple of interesting subjects though to consider. So this is the boat launched by South Street. It goes right down with the water. There's interesting rock formations and some pine trees, Dingle Tower of course, a mysterious distant shoreline, a few boats, pine trees, and this very interesting canoe which I think I'm going to attempt today, and some beautiful rose bushes over here. And these are my regular supplies, same as last time. Sponge, clean water container, a dirty water container, a small palette for some colors, pencil for initial sketch, number 10 round brush, 4x6 Arches watercolor paper on a 5x7 board, a few pieces of scrap paper, 4 colors, permanent rose, burnt sienna, lemon yellow, French ultramarine. And I might use this card for scraping for some effects for the rocks along the water. I'm not sure yet. So this is my general plan of action. I'm going to probably make the canoe a little bit lighter in color and try to make a lot of dark regions around it for some increased contrast. And because my canoe is the center of interest, I want to have that one to be the most detail and less detail and probably darker colors around. So I probably make the pine tree very dark green and some grays and browns here along the shore, some dark rocks and probably some darker hedges and bushes over here. So it'll be a lot of darkness and grayness in general, and perhaps maybe a light green or closer to the white for the canoe. We'll see how that works out. Anyways, that's just a general plan. Here I've mixed up a few of the colors. Some really dark green blues for the pine trees, some grays for the rocks, browns also for some more rock wall effects. Here's a sample of the few little color patches for testing out, see how the mixture is going to work out. And I'll just start sketching a minute or two. Gonna try to do the pine tree wet and wet, hope it doesn't run too much. And I'll work down to my rock wall and probably do the canoe last. Anyways, wish me luck on that. So there's initial wash, left a little bit of white space for the canoe. Lots of greens and blues for the pine trees and a little bit of grayish gravel for the beach area. So there's my little mini postcard sketch of the boat and some trees, very impressionistic approach. And not too bad for a try on a wet, drizzly, rainy, foggy morning. Thanks very much for joining me, and hope to see you again soon in my next video.